What do you have? What's this called? Celosia.
Flappy.
Celosia.
What is that?
Celosia?
No, what
I'm
is
loving
that?
these stripes. That's the name of the flower.
It's the same.
Those are petunias.
I'm
And
a
this
petunia.
is, I call you Petunia. So we're back at Lowe's. I got a buggy full of zinnia. And we have to pick up another bottle of floor finish, another bottle of oil. We're going to do another coat on the bedroom floor. Uh-oh, last one. Enjoying our newly finished floor. Before we move in, while everything's empty and no one's sleeping here, let's go ahead and put another coat on. So yeah, I'm gonna get busy and put another coat on this floor so it'll be beautiful forever. Alright, another day, another estate store. This one's on Main Street, Lynchburg, Virginia. Estates Revisited. Let's take a look. Y'all, I need a sink. I need a kitchen sink. I need a kitchen sink really bad. We're starting to get down to the wire. I mean, the plumber's supposed to call me today. They can start day after tomorrow. At this point, I have learned to be handy enough that if I could get something like a big piece of furniture, like a buffet, or just like a cabinet, a sideboard, something that I could cut into the top of it, put a sink in it, and they could run plumbing into that, and I could, you know, finish it up, waterproof it. So really, I'm open to a lot of options right now. I did not find anything in that shop. I have not been finding anything anywhere. I swear I used to see these old farmhouse sinks on Facebook and everywhere, but it's just, now that I happen to need one, I'm not going to be able to find one, because that's the law of, what is that, Murphy's Law? Anything that can go wrong will go wrong. That hasn't been my experience with this fixer-upper, but this sink is giving me a time. I'm going to go back and check the first estate store I ever took y'all to here with me on this old shack. I'm going to go back here and check this store just in case they've got a new shipment, a new estate. I need a sink. You know, I wasn't looking for things I could repurpose into kitchen cabinets the last time I was here. So maybe something will bubble up. Absolutely unbelievable. They got a farmhouse sink since the last time I was there, like last week. They got one and sold it immediately. It's sold. It's sold, but not to me. I'm telling y'all, I feel like this sink is gonna be a problem. So y'all, we're looking for this kitchen sink still. So we have stainless steel kitchen sink that was taken out of our house that we kept because we might need it. So y'all, it's just bathroom sinks, and then, you know, the stainless kitchen sink like we already have.
Bathroom sink galore.
Now, my uncle might have some cabinets to give me, and of course I could put the stainless sink into that. I want a cool old farmhouse sink. Don't know if that's happening, but I'm really good at decorating, so I'm sure I'm going to snazz up whatever we come up with. My uncle gets off from work. He's going to send me some pictures of some kitchen cabinets that I can work with and do a countertop. This is kitchen counter height.
Your kitchen counter.
Here's a piece of countertop.
Cool.
That could go on that little piece of counter, and a little sink could go in it.
Cooler.
Here, stand by that. Make sure it doesn't fall. Well, that's enough searching for a sink for one day. I swear, this gives me anxiety. I want a sink. I want this sink thing settled. I want my kitchen layout settled. I swear, those sinks used to be for sale all the time. I'd see them all the time. Buy things. If you want secondhand things, if you want cheap secondhand things, if you want really cool secondhand things, get them when you see them for sale. Get them when you see them for sale, because they're not going to be for sale when you go back later. Anyway, y'all remember our upstairs hallway? John tore out the plaster up here. Well, he bagged up, you know, like the big pieces, and because I couldn't clean up any more plaster, not another day in my life. I will hire someone else to do that. But John will, and so he did. But now I'm coming in today, working on that dust. Clean up. All right, y'all. So something cool that I've been working on, that I've been collecting up the little pieces to do, is in the stairs down to the basement, which is right off of the kitchen. I'm going to make it like pantry storage, because see, there's a little ledge right there. There's room for pantry storage, and that's a good thing, right? But then also in the kitchen, I'm going to do some open shelving. So this is what I've collected up. I have these beautiful little shelves, little decorative shelves, solid wood, that I have bought. The big one for $10, the middle one for $4, the little one on the end for $2. They're gorgeous, and they will be just the thing. So if I ever get my frickin' sink, it'll go in right here, and little shelves can go up above it. So, shaka, and then another little one, and another little one. Let's do this low. Like right here, and then another one, and then another one. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Do you love Tom loves it. Do you love my $16 open kitchen shelving that I think is gonna look amazing? Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep collecting these little shelves I see at thrift store, something that I have been able to come by. And I'm gonna do the same sort of eclectic wood shelves in the pantry area. The plumber is going to be in here doing this. I'm not going to hang shelves until after the plumber puts in the kitchen sink that I do not own yet. And then the shelves will go up.
If you don't own it.
That's the problem. That's the problem. How do I put it in if I don't own it? That's what Tom, my little son, has to say. That's the problem. I'm looking for the solution.
No, that's what you had to say.
Smarty pants. Yeah, I'm feeling very cozy and at home. And I fix her up these days. I really just want to move in. Anyway, I like to keep my morale up. And one of the ways I do that is with snack food. So as long as it's not high cholesterol, then it's fine for me to eat junk. I burn a lot of calories. And I eat a lot of vegetables. So I got a brownie and some Doritos. I wanted to get like a little chocolate cupcake with a little swirl of icing on top with cream inside. Little Hostess or Little Debbie. I think it's Little Debbie cupcake. But those have 22% of a regular person's cholesterol intake. So I got the brownie, which has no cholesterol, surprisingly enough. Ooh, I'm gonna love it. Got a hot lead on a farmhouse sink. And a brownie. I got a brownie and a hot lead on a farmhouse sink. This is good. Now that I done had me a little snacky, had me a little drinky, getting me a little sinky, I'm gonna do a little worky. So we're in the basement room that will be John's office. And also, you know, be a lounge and different things. Anyway, so there are little holes in the cement floor because there were nails cemented into the cement that were holding down the nasty carpet that we removed when we took possession of this house. It was nasty, so nasty. Anyway, it had to go. Now, in the meantime, we're just gonna do cement flooring here, and I'm going to fill the holes with some patch. John pried the nails up out the cement, and I'm gonna fill the holes. And then after that gets all dry and good, the plan for this floor is to do some dry lock paint. So that's a paint you can use on like a basement floor that will block all vapor, all moisture, all that, which is crucial for a freaking basement. Yes, so I have cleaned and prepped this part of this room, and now I'm gonna fill some holes. Well, that turned into a lot of patching. Let me show you. And along this wall. Now, move all this stuff and tackle this side. Bleh. I did that. Done. Floor patching, done. I'm gonna see y'all next time. Do check our Patreon if you want more content that you can't see anywhere else. And you wanna throw $1 in the hat for old WayCrunchy. Alrighty, y'all. Bye.